Are you tired of renting and feeling like you're throwing your money away each month? Wondering where you can plant roots, build equity, and enjoy the best of the city living in Chicago? The solution might be right here in my hometown, Lakeview. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, Lakeview offers a blend of city energy and community charm that's hard to beat. I'm telling you. Hi, I'm Hugo with Hugo Banker. I'm your local real estate expert here in Lakeview, Chicago. I also serve the Chicagoland and the suburbs. I can help buyers and investors like you navigate the real estate market with confidence, clarity, and a level of service that feels personal. Let's dive into the top 7 questions that buyers ask when considering Lakeview and why this neighborhood continues to be one of the best places to invest and live in Chicago. Question number 1, is Lakeview a safe place to live? Let me tell you, the answer is yes. Lakeview is one of Chicago's most sought after neighborhoods because of its safe, well-lit streets, active community watch, and walkable lifestyle. It's perfect for families, young professionals, and retirees alike. Question number 2, what makes Lakeview a good investment for real estate? Well, property values in Lakeview continue to appreciate due to its high demand, limited inventory, and vibrant local economy. It's a smart place to build equity, long-term wealth, especially for first-time buyers and investors. Question number 3, how's the public transportation in Lakeview? One of the best. With multiple CTA train lines and the bus routes, you can go anywhere in the city if you want to go north, south. Whether you work downtown or want access to other neighborhoods, Lakeview is center, incredibly commute friendly. Question number 4, what are the schools like in Lakeview? Lakeview is home of the top rated public and private schools, making ideal for families, educational options, and diverse. And many schools are walkable, adding convenience and peace of mind for the families. Question number 5, are there things to do around Lakeview? Absolutely. From shopping on Southport Corridor to catching a Cubs game at Wrigley Field, enjoying the lakefront trail, dining and friendly restaurants, there's no shortage of entertainment in Lakeview. We have it all. Question number 6, what type of homes are available in Lakeview? Anything that you want. Lakeview has a wide range of properties, from charming single-family homes to historic gray stone to modern condos, townhomes, multi-units. It's truly something for every lifestyle and budget. Question number 7, can I find affordable homes in Lakeview? The answer is yes. Well, Lakeview is known for its luxury homes. There are plenty of smart condos and multi-unit investment properties. With the right guidance, you can find hidden gems that match your goals and budget, and this is where I come in. So if you're ready to explore buying a home in Lakeview, call me at 773-550-4846. I'll guide you step by step, hold your hand through the process, and make sure you never feel alone on the real estate journey. Whether you're home buying for the first time or investing in a rental property or upgrading your lifestyle, I'm here to help you make the smart, confident decision, okay? If this video was informative and educational, don't forget to follow us on social media, like, comment, and share. And please share this video with other friends and family that are looking to buy or sell. We are here to help you with your real estate needs.